What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a little bit of an update here. Getting pretty close on this thing, actually. I figured I'd give y'all a little look at what's been going on. I'll be glad when this thing's done. Well, I'm not going to get into all that on this video, so here we go. Let's see what we got. Cab's done. Ready to start assembly. Got all the chrome trim and emblems and all that stuff done. Did all that using the Molotov marker. Figured out real quick I don't have steady enough hand to do that if it's not a defined piece of trim. Like some of this around these back windows, it's just like a raised bump in the body. There's not much definition to it. Some of it got a little squirrely, but it's okay. Tried something new. It worked out. It looks good from 10 foot away, so I'm happy with that. So that's ready to go with assembly. Got the back of the cab piece ready to go. Got the paint fixed on it. All I did was lightly sand it and get the bad spots out, and then just shoot another color coat over it. The green was the only thing that was affected. I went back down and, like I said, lightly sanded it, and got back down to the silver, and the silver was fine. So got her cleaned up and repainted, and got the chrome trim around the back window. Let's see what else we got. The frame should be ready to go. Now, with the exception of the diamond plate pieces, those are Model Master aluminum. Everything else on here, other than the body color, is all craft acrylics. I'm trying that out now. Bit of a learning curve. I got to figure out my proper mix ratio for thinning them down, but it's coming along. Doesn't look too bad, I don't think. Didn't go crazy with the detail, just highlighted some brackets on these tanks, painted that tank, painted all the pump workings, the tranny pan and the oil pan, a couple oil filters. Shocks have been painted to match the ones on the back. Other than that, just trimmed out the frame. I had to pick it out by hand because this is all one molded in piece. So that's ready to go. And then the body. All of the diamond plate has been done in the Model Master aluminum. Tail lights are tester silver. I'm waiting on it to dry a little more, then I'll go back in and pick out the lenses. All the hoses are done in craft acrylics. It wasn't too bad. The connections on the hoses are craft acrylic. The interior is also craft acrylic. There's not much detail on this dash at all, really. There's no gauge detail in. There's a few little buttons that I've highlighted with some silver paint. So you really won't be able to see a whole lot of it anyway when you put the cab on. But picked out some of the handles and the covers on this side with the Molotov pen. So yeah, that's where we're at. The next time you see this thing, I'm hoping it's going to be done. Waiting on everything to dry real good right now before I handle it too much. Gotta paint the tail lights, and I'm thinking that's going to be it as far as painting stuff. Then I can start putting it together, get her done. Like I said, tried a couple new things on this build with the Molotov pen and the craft acrylics on the frame. Seems to be working well. Like I said, I got to get my mix down right when I'm thinning it, but that's, I'm getting better. First couple times I tried to do the interior, that's what I started with. I had it way too thin and ended up mixing way more paint than what I needed for that, but it's fine. We'll get it figured out. But yeah, hopefully the next update will be a final on it. And that's where we're at, guys. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching.